Hey, it's Sarah Taylor. This is a painting called Uprooted, and it's a commission painting for just a really cool person that I really like. She bought a painting for me once before, and I sense that this will suit her very well. These are my paints. These are all puddle paints, some kind of warm and cool colors, some nice reds and plums. That's that lovely quinacridone Nicolazzo gold, a little bit of Modern Masters, antique bronze, kind of a lot of my usual paints. That's a pretty Amsterdam phthalo turquoise, some Modern Masters gold. I think that's their iridescent gold. And then that's a Payne's Gray by Lucas. Just a nice, I have a white base coat here. And then I also have a base coat that's kind of this light gray that I put in a squirt bottle. And I'm going to be layering them into some cups. These are some different cloud over mixes, some 24K gold and plum and some gray. And we're going to go onto a 24 by 36. That's not the canvas. I actually used these same paints. And I added a bit of turquoise, a nice cobalt turquoise that you can see over there on the right. So layering this cup, and I'll come back a little later in the video and talk to you a bit more. Until then, enjoy. All right, talk soon. So this is where this painting really, I thought, started sort of coming to life, adding this white back into it and then getting some kind of different details coming into that bit of negative space, and definitely different. I hope you guys like it. Let me know below in the comments what you think. And do me a favor and come follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of different unique content over there that's different from here on YouTube. So come check me out there, and there's a bunch of different ways you can support me and my art. So I really appreciate it. All your support, really, it just means so much. And I can't tell you, some days it really lifts me up and pushes me forward to continue to make art. So thank you all, and have a really, really beautiful day. Take care. Talk to you soon.